welcome again to another video. Okay? This is Attorney Elmer Lucero. So, talakayin naman natin o magkomento tayo dito sa video ng Inquirer.net, no? Na sinasabi na may order si Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, no, to cancel the passport of Mayor Alice Guo and some members of her family. So, tama ba yung order ni Executive Secretary Bersamin? Okay? So, simulan natin.
Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin is ordering the Department of Foreign Affairs and the Department of Justice to cancel the passports of dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Guo and her family. In a memorandum signed by Bersamin, the Executive Secretary cites reports of Guo fleeing the country using her Philippine passport to Malaysia and then meeting her family in Singapore before traveling to Indonesia. Along with Alice Guo, Bersamin also orders the cancellation of the passports of her siblings Wesley Leal Guo and Sheila Leal Guo, as well as her business partner Cassandra Ong. Several lawmakers have urged the Department of Foreign Affairs to cancel Alice Guo's passport. This comes after Senator Risa Hontiveros revealed on Monday, August 19, that Guo has already left the country last July. The Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission previously confirmed the matter based on the immigration records of the Philippines' foreign counterparts. The Bureau of Immigration likewise confirmed that Guo is now out of the country after it has received information suggesting that Guo left the country illegally and did not pass through the Philippine immigration authorities.
So, yan nga, no? Nag-order, no, si Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, no, to cancel Mayor Alice Guo's passport including some members of her family. Okay, so ang tanong, tama ba, no, yung ginawang pag-order or yung ginawang order to cancel the passport of Mayor Alice Guo and some members of her family? So under the law, okay, kaya kina-cancel ang passport ng isang tao because the continued use of that passport is detrimental to national security, public health, and public safety. So, kung papasok dun sa tatlong grounds na yon, pwede mong i-cancel yung passport ng isang tao. Okay? So, do you think yung kaso ni Mayor Alice Guo will fall on any of these grounds? Detrimental to national security, public health, and public safety. So may issue tayo dahil baka naman hindi pumasok dito sa tatlong ito. Okay? Again, hindi mo rin pwedeng order, no, to summarily cancel, no, the passport of anyone. Kasi yung passport na yan, no, or the person or the holder of the passport has a right to due process. So meron ding constitutional right to due process yung passport holder. So hindi mo pwedeng i-order lang or summarily cancel his passport or her passport. Kasi may sinusunod tayong due process guaranteed under the Constitution. Okay, so may proseso tayong sinusunod bago ka mag-cancel ng passport. Kasi, again, wala tayong or hindi ina-allow yung summary cancellation of passport. Kasi, it must go through due process. Due process. So, ano ba yung due process? The right, no, to be heard. Okay? There is hearing. No, you heard the person first and then you heard before you condemn. There must be a hearing first. Hearing must be conducted, no, before you cancel the passport of anybody. No? Again, no, ang requirement ng batas before ka mag-cancel ay due process, which is you hear first the person or you heard first before you condemn. No, may hearing. Hindi ka pwedeng summarily mag-cancel ng passport ng sino man. So, it must go through due process. Okay? So, sana may naintindihan tayo, no, sa munting komento na ito regarding sa pag-cancela ng passport ng isang tao. Okay, hanggang sa susunod. Maraming salamat.